Hi, this is Maryam from Crochet Pattern, and today we're going to learn how to crochet this pattern. To get started, make a slip knot and start chaining, and your chains should be a multiple of 10. I made 20 chains to demonstrate. Now add 5 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make a double crochet into the 4th one. And make another double crochet into the next chain. And those 3 chains that we skipped count as 1 double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and make a single crochet into each of the next 3 chains. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains and make a double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 2 chains. 1 and 2, and make a single crochet into each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 2 chains and make a double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Actually, here is my last 3 chains. And this is the end of row 1. For row 2, turn your project and make a single crochet into the very first stitch and in the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make a double crochet into each of the next 3 single crochets. Here's the first one, the second one, and the third one. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make a single crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. And repeat this process. Make a double crochet into each of the single crochets and make a single crochet into each of the double crochets. Our last single crochet will be into the 3rd chain of those 3 chains that we skipped at the beginning of row 1. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 2. Row 3, turn your project and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. And make a double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make a single crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. So in every row we make double crochets in single crochets and single crochets in double crochets. And repeat this process to the end. And this is the end of row 3. And repeat every row just like the pattern I just told you, like row 2 and 3, until you get the desired length. So in every row, single crochets and double crochets and double crochets and single crochets. And this is how it looks like at the end. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, write a comment down below and share it to your friends. See you next tutorials. Bye!